Today we're throwing on the Billetworkz. Got the Performance Blue shift knob. We're going to be getting it on there. Let's do it. All right, to get this off, throwing it down in second, and then you just give it a hard pull up. That takes that off. Leave that all down in there. It's our return spring. Probably give that a little wipe off. All right, grab our adapter. I'm gonna get that all lined up where we want it. All right. Size on these ones is a 5/64. Grab that guy up. Get this all put on. Let's see how that looks. Throw this on, make sure it's all lined up good. See how we're looking. And we're completely upside down. All right.
Nice.
Take it back off, make some adjustments. I'll be right back to you. All right, so one of the things apparently you got to pay attention to is the inner diameter of the actual knob is smaller than your reverse lift up. So when you're adjusting, make sure that you have full lift before you tighten down. Unlike what I did, we got to take this off again now. Okay. So, upon further realization, I would recommend, if you're installing this shifter, to do so with the vehicle in reverse. Where the reverse lockout is going to sit normally would make it a little easier as you're installing. That should be fine. So what I did is I put the car over in reverse with the lockout, put it in reverse. I put the knob all the way on and locked it down on the shifter to get it to where it was level and lined up. And then to tighten, I took the knob back off, holding it in place, dropped it down, which reveals your bolts, and you can tighten it all the way up. That is what seemed to be the easiest getting through here. I'm gonna have to do some final adjustment, but there she is. Reverse works, gets us in all the gears, and she's done.